make sure to prepare right now for Ethereum and Bitcoin because this next move will be very important. With that said, this is DC Trading. Make sure you guys stick around to find out what is next for Ethereum as well as Bitcoin, because first off, I will be doing a technical analysis, and then from there, I'm going to give my price prediction for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So make sure to stick around. With that said, let's get right into it. Okay, so first off, right now, Ethereum is down to around the $1,500 price range, which is very low because the past couple days we have seen red all over. And if we look at the weekly time frame for Ethereum, we still are above, the 200 MA, which means it's still buying. So right now, what we are experiencing right now is a pullback. As you guys can see, we can't always see green for Ethereum, but as you guys can see, we are seeing a pullback. We may see it go, as low as 1,300, but I do expect Ethereum to make its way back up eventually. That's why you guys got to stick around to find out. But as you guys know, Ethereum was around 2,000 a couple days ago, but got rejected very hard because of Bitcoin and because of all the news coming out with China's economy, a lot of crypto news coming out. And then we just seen a big dump in the crypto market. So as you guys can see, it made its last push, failed very hard, try to keep its, keep up, but eventually it dumped even more yesterday before the weekly time frame closed. As you guys can see right now, what looks to be forming is a double bottom. So hopefully we can see Ethereum pump in the next few days, bounce, maybe make its way back up to $1,700 this week. As you guys can see, if we take out the Bollinger Band, the RSI is around 30, so it's oversold. It's creating this double bottom. So we are going to see eventually Ethereum push back up, because that means it's a bullish pattern signal. So it's going to make its way back up, bounce maybe to 1,700 today or tomorrow. But as you guys can see, we did touch the bottom of the Bollinger Band. RSI is oversold, so it is going to have to make its way back up. Yes. So what is my price prediction for Ethereum? Well, guys, my price prediction for Ethereum is it is going to be around $1,650, because, yes, guys, it's not bullish right now, but I do expect Ethereum to, hold up around this area, because as you guys can see, this is a strong support right here. As you guys can see, it failed once, or successfully bounced once, twice. Now it's making its way back up. As you guys can see, it is creating this double bottom, which you guys can see it created a double bottom right here as well. So yes, we can see Ethereum push back up eventually. Hopefully this is what will happen right here. Similar. So that is my price prediction, 1,650. Because it is touching the bottom of the Bollinger Band, it's oversold, so it's highly likely it's going to be around 1,600 to 1,650. But it can obviously go to 1,700 also if it's on a good day, if everything goes good. But if we look at the liquidations for Bitcoin and Ethereum, not a lot of liquidations happened today. Only 25 million was liquidated from Bitcoin. As you guys can see, it is from long positions. And Ethereum, 61 million was liquidated. Mainly had to do with long positions as well, because people are, fearing right now, especially with this dump that happened very quickly. It was already forming. Even if you looked on the smaller time frame, it was creating bearish patterns. I did warn you guys on Instagram and TikTok. So make sure you guys follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Link in description down below. If you want to look me up, hidden_NFTs. And on TikTok, it is DC_trading421. So yes. Now moving on to Bitcoin. We have a lot of bad news for Bitcoin. It's not looking very good because we are testing this $20,000 price range again. We broke down below this support that is now, it looks like, becoming a resistance, as you guys can see. As you guys know, Bitcoin did go up to 25K twice. It touched it, but it dumped very hard, as you guys can see. It tried to make its last push, but then failed, and then held up again, and then failed again. So we saw this massive dump for Bitcoin the last few days. As a result, cryptocurrency is down because of this, along with Ethereum. But we also have some more bad news. If we look on the weekly time frame and we put the Bollinger or the 200 MA, we are now currently below the 200 MA, which means it's selling. This is bad because this means Bitcoin is not bullish no more because we're not above the 200 MA. It's not buying. As a result, this is a bearish signal for Bitcoin. What can we see for Bitcoin the next few weeks? Well, it's probably going to be consolidating around the 20 to 21,000, possibly the high 22,000 or the high 21,000s, possibly 22,000. So if we look at the smaller time frames, look at the 4-hourly, it is kind of creating this bottom right here. It's consolidating a lot. It's nothing really forming that's very, eye-catching for me. But as you guys can see, it did touch the bottom of the Bollinger Band. RSI is around 30, so it is oversold. So the only way is to go back up. But right now, it's consolidating around this area. We might see it go up to 21,800, but then probably going to get rejected because it's very low right now. Not a lot of good news is happening with Bitcoin, and a lot of people right now are fearing because of this massive rejection around here that we just saw. So yes, we still are in a bearish market. So what is my price prediction for Bitcoin? Well, my price prediction for Bitcoin will be around 21,600. I do believe it's going to be consolidating. We may see a casual spike to the upside, but going to get rejected again because there's not a lot of good news happening with Bitcoin. The economy is still doing bad. And yes, but on the other hand, with Ethereum, we do see the merge happening. So hype is going to be a factor into this. So yes, I do believe Ethereum will be around 1650. For Bitcoin, though, it is showing signs it's going to be stuck around 21,600 by the end of this week. So those are my price predictions for Bitcoin and Ethereum this week. Make sure to comment down below what you guys think. What are your price predictions? With that said, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.